Hi, my name is Kimberly and I work at the Pickerington Public Library in the Youth Services Department. And today we're going to do a STEAM craft using materials you can find at home. The most important material that you're going to need to gather up are some cardboard rolls. You can use paper, or little toilet paper rolls are kind of the smallest ones you can find. Paper towel rolls work really well. They're a little bit bigger. And then we have wrapping paper rolls. We had a birthday and ran out of wrapping paper last week. So we have this huge roll. What you might want to do with this though is cut it into smaller sections because we're going to go ahead and tape these on the wall to make some marble runs. It's going to be awesome. The other materials that you're going to need are tape to tape it to the wall. We have some painter's tape right here. This is probably the best one, safest for your wall, but masking tape would also work fine. And I have a teenager who collects washi tape. So we have a whole basket of fun washi tape in there. We're also going to use those to go ahead and decorate our rolls. You can use markers. Elizabeth has a ton of markers and materials that she loves to color with. So we're going to go ahead and color our paper towel rolls and our wrapping paper rolls and our toilet paper rolls. It's not necessary because if you don't color them or you don't want to decorate them, that's okay because you know your marble run is going to work just fine without it. The last few things you'll need for your run are marbles to run down. If you don't have marbles, you can use anything that's round and rolly. Like we have these pom-poms at our house, and if you have little bouncy balls, that would work just fine too. So the other thing that if you don't have these, you can use construction paper. Can you hand me a piece of paper, Lizzie? The blue paper. These are the rolls that we made. You just take it and you roll it up into a little circle and you put a couple pieces of Scotch tape on here. And you got a little roll. So if you don't want to wait to collect these or if you just don't have a lot of them, that's fine. You can make your own rolls. So we gathered all this stuff and we're going to go ahead and start decorating our paper towel rolls because that sounds really fun to us. Yeah. Hi, so we've been decorating our paper towel rolls. This is some with washi tape and we've colored some of them with markers. Lizzie is doing one with washi tape back here. So when you're done decorating them, you can leave some full like this for the marble to go through, but you can also go ahead and cut. So I'm going to cut the long way, watch. Cut it all the way down. And then I'm going to flip it over and cut exactly on the opposite side. This is a good parent thing to help if you're kind of young, at least maybe the first couple so you can make sure they're working. But then what you have is more of a chute. You see that? I'm angling it. There you go. So the marble can run down. So some of the marble runs, we're going to tape them onto the wall, and some can be enclosed. That's fine, because these probably you don't want to cut in half as much because they're not as secure. These are nice and firm, so you can cut these in half. So yeah, we're going to go ahead. I think the next step is to finish decorating. Are you going to color this one too, Lizzie? Mm-hmm. Thought she was just going to color that one. We got to color a few more. And then we're going to go ahead and start taping these up on the wall and seeing if we can get a really cool marble run going. All right, so we've been working hard on our marble track. Jake, this is another helper we have, friend Jake. Say hi, it's Jacob. He's been helping Lizzie kind of place them on the wall. Show them what we have so far. It works half the time. So it goes down. Yeah, that did work. Okay, thumbs up, guys. All right, we're going to keep going and see what else we can get. All right, we have a finished marble track. We're going to see if it works. Can we see? We can't see the basket at the bottom, really. There's a basket down there. Do you see that? We're trying to make it into the basket. All right, Liz, you want to drop it in? Oh, and that's okay. So they're going to fix it. If your marble doesn't go all the way down, that's an awesome opportunity to go and try to fix it and try to figure out what went wrong. And that's why this is such a fun, it's a fun game, but it's also a little bit of a learning game because you learn how to fix it. So they're going to drop it down again. Here we go. A little harder. Oh, it's okay. So we're going to take a minute and see if we can fix that and show you a really good. All right, we're going to try it one more time. Go for it, Lizzie.
It's okay.
Okay, so we're going to try to get it down our track again after we fixed it. Go for it, Lizzie. All right, Jacob's going to give it a shot and see if we can get it down the marble track. Go for it. Yes, we had so much fun doing this with you, and I hope you guys have a good time doing it too and are successful with your marble tracks. So now that we're done with this one, I'm pretty sure we're gonna go ahead and mix it up and make all sorts of new fun ones all day long, right? Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
All right, thanks for hanging with us today.